We're here at the launch party of inventHQ in Broomfield, Colorado. inventHQ is an all-ages collaborative workshop. We have 3D printers, we have a laser cutter, we have sewing machines, digital embroidery machines, a CNC router. It's a place where residents of Broomfield can come and make and invent whatever they want.
So a place like this for me is a perfect add-on to the services that the library already offered, because we're all about resource sharing. Resources in terms of the tools we have here, as well as the people and the expertise that are here. And this place allows the community to have a great third place. Think of us as the extension of your living room, where you can learn to create and make and tap into that part of you that wants to have more ability to make your stamp on the world.
Why we think people need a place like this is not only do people have a real desire for maker programs and technology, but we feel like it's a really important thing for our community as a gathering spot. It's a great way for people with different skills and different abilities to come in and share their knowledge and their skills with each other.
1, 2, 3, cut!
It is so exciting to see how many people are here for this opening. We've been working for months to get this space ready, and so to be at the point where people are in here and making things and interacting with each other and having fun and being creative is fantastic.
The energy in this room right now is exactly what we wanted to happen for our community. People are engaging with all kinds of different technology, different skills. Kids can teach parents, parents can teach kids, grandparents can come in. So we're really excited about the energy right now in the inventHQ.
Oh, kids seem really excited today. Their eyes are open with wonder. They're tinkering, they're imagining, they're creating new things. It's super fun. This isn't a space just for kids. This is a space that has adult programming where adults can come and prototype their next great invention. It's also a space to come and play and be creative and have some free time where you just let your brain explore things that it doesn't get to explore during the normal course of the day.
It feels really good at our core. That's what we're here to do. We want to engage our community and bring this stuff to them.
It's been kind of strange getting this ready for everybody without having anybody in here, and it's so nice and affirming to see you guys all so excited to be here with us today. Thank you.
People that don't have the capacity, the space, the ability to own this stuff themselves, that have that creativity and want to express it. I mean, that's what it's all about here. It's just giving people the opportunity to make whatever they want and just have fun doing it.
For more information, they should go to broomfield.org/inventhq. Sign up for programs. We're ready for you.